Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create an account on cPanel. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your desktop and then search for cPanel. Now select the first website that occur. Now select account login, which is on your top right corner. Now select this create an account, which is on the bottom middle section. Now enter all of these details right here, which is your email address, password, name, company name, address, country, city, state, zip code, telephone number, mobile number, and after filling all of these details you just need to tick this button right here like this, and now just select on this button right here called register account. Now you need to enter your email address right here and password right here. Now select on login, and that's how you guys can successfully create an account on cPanel. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.